Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today talakayin natin yung mga overhauls ko for March 2025 and yung mga stores where I bought all the kits that I have for this March 2025. So let's start with my full mechanics here. I got the full mechanics Gundam Aerial Permit Score 5 from lista ko na from Gundam Amazing UA.ph, and I bought it around 730 pesos lang. So ayan, ang ganda. It's a very cheap, very affordable, and very fast delivery from Gundam Amazing UA.ph. So yan, medyo bulanit lang yung box, but I checked all the contents, it's complete. And we go with the Plamax. This Plamax Cherno Alpha from Pacific Rim. And ang hirap kong hinanap tong kit na to. So I got a hard time looking for this kit, and I'm very thankful that I already bought this kit at an affordable price of 3,520 pesos, because from the previous shops that I looked in Amazon and eBay, it's being sold at $200, something like that, so around 10,000 pesos, and very expensive. But I bought it by 3,520 at sunlight3829.ph. So thank you so much, Sunlight 3829.ph, for selling this at an affordable price. Okay, so we go with the band. I got this the band Crossbone Gundam, or the band what's the code? I forgot the code. Anyway, this is sold at 900 pesos to me by Hobby Wang or Hobby King from Shopee Philippines. So very affordable, and sa wakas nagkaroon na rin ako ng full cloth the band Crossbone Gundam. So there we go. And let's go with the Shanzi model kit. So this is the Gundam Mecha metal build style from Shanzi. So I bought this from Sunny Store for the price of 1,291 pesos, and napakabilis nung seller na to mag-deliver. So it took around 3 days only from China, of course, and yan, natanggap ko agad. So Shanzi model kit from Sunny Store. Okay, so dapo tayo sa Testament Gundam. So I got this Menghu model kit, Testament Gundam. Nabili ko kay Fingertip Player, and I ordered it last week, and after 7 days I received it already, and I bought it around 924 pesos. Good price and very fast delivery from Fingertip Player, and there we go. The quality of this kit is really nice. I really like the build. Actually, I built this already. This is just the box now. Okay. So let's go with the Forbidden Gundam. So I bought this Forbidden Gundam from Shopee Ph, and I bought it around 1,049 pesos only. So there we go, Shopee Ph. Thank you so much for selling this Forbidden Gundam to me at an affordable price. Okay, and we go with the Bandai here. So I got this Bandai Dodge from, of course, premium Bandai shop from Shopee Philippines, and I bought it around 2,150 pesos, if I'm not, yeah, 2,150 pesos. So this is a pre-order. I pre-ordered it around December, if I'm not mistaken. December or November, but yeah, ngayon ko lang natanggap. So there. Thank you so much, Premium Bandai, for the wonderful deal to you. Okay. And my Holy Grail. So I got this Holy Grail here, the Streptopelia from DLX Hobby. So this is a very big kit, or very big box. Ang bigat niya, sobrang siksik. Ang bigat ng kit na to. So there, I bought it from Hobby King again, and or Hobby Wang at 2,610 pesos. Ayan. So murang-mura akong nabili kay Hobby King. And ang bilis ko rin nakuha sa kanya kasi fast delivery talaga si Hobby King compared to other shops dyan sa Pilipinas. So thank you so much for watching this overhaul review from March 2026, and this will be my hiatus again, final collection or final overhaul here in the Philippines, and I will stop collecting now. So thank you so much for the long journey that you've been with me watching all my videos, my reviews. Thank you so much, and more power sa mga builders. Still, I don't know if I can continue this Gunpla collecting in Germany in the future, but whatsoever, I will still bring some of my Gunplas there abroad, and maybe I will still review some of those kits that I didn't review yet. And meron pa ako mga kits na hindi nabubuo na napadala ko na sa Germany. So I might review those. Still, I can reach with you, all my viewers and all my Gunpla fans. Thank you so much for making our Gunpla journey happy and memorable. So thank you so much. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying, happy building, never stop creating fun memory through Gunpla collection. Bye-bye!